This is it. Ito na ang resulta ng lahat ng pagod at pagsisikap naming lahat for these past months. We did our best for this concert. Now everything is up to the Lord.
Siyempre, nandoon yung excitement talaga. Grabe, eto na to. Pagkakaroon ako ng concert with the Concert King, Mr. Martin Rivera, hindi ko akalain na mabibigyan ako ng pagkakataon na magkaroon ng malaking concert kasama si Mr. Martin. Alam pong malaking responsibilidad talaga, pero yun, I just prayed about it. Kasi sabi nga ni Lord, wala naman tayong challenges na ibibigay sa atin from Him na hindi natin kakayanin, no, with the help of God. So, pinagdasal ko na lang. At yun, medyo late na rin ako nakatulog kasi nahihirapan ako makatulog pag hindi niisip ako. So,
yes, sa akin, ang number one ko, it wasn't really part of the actual production. Ang pinaka-worry ko palagi as a stage manager is the time that's given to me and to the artist and to the director, actually to the whole production. Iba kasi magmamount lang ng production, kala nila titindig ka agad dyan in 2 or 3 or 4 hours. Ang malaking problema ko dyan is oras. Ang ganda ng mga concept, pero ang unang tanong ko, do we have the time? Doon nagkakasayangan ng mga concept. Ang ganda ng concept nila. Ito ang ganda ng concept. Pero, yung pala we're only allowed setup of, say, 8 hours. Which is exactly what made me worry during those meetings. Kasi, unang-unang Valentine to. So, maraming shows. Not only on the day of that concert, but there will be shows 1 day before or 2 days before on the same venue. So imagine the coordination ng gagawin mo with the other production houses. Yun ang mahirap mo.
Well, basically, it was just a Valentine show for Martin and Sarah. What you call this? It had to be very simple, but in a way a bit clever. Na kasi simple lang kasi, no, not much frou-frou and ganyan. So Direk Roel and I came up with this idea of. He actually came up with this idea of hands. He saw a picture somewhere of 2 hands, and somehow they look like 2 hands na parang gumaganyan na naging heart yung shape niya. So we developed that thing, and then the material that I chose was scrim material, so that you could see through it because there's an LED in the back. Pero kung iilawan mo yung scrim, nawawala ng konti, nakikita mo siya parang 2-dimensional, so ganun.
pakiramdam na makita mo yung parang hindi totoo. Parang gano'n ang surreal na nakikita mo na ang daming tao na pumunta ng Araneta. Of course, nandun kasama ko si Sir Martin, ano. Pero magmula nung past na contest ko na ginawa ko, tinatanong ko lagi sa sarili ko, bakit kaya? Ba't kaya sila pupunta dito? Ganun sila karami. Lagi ko yun kina-question sa sarili ko. Pero pinasasalamatan ko talaga ng gusto sa Diyos. Kasi kung ano man yung nakita sa akin ng mga tao na yun, bakit gumagastos sila para bumiyahe from different places pa, mga pamasahe, ganyan. Kung ano man yun, talagang pinasasalamatan ko ang Diyos.